Good morning, traders. This is Stephen Davis with RJO Futures here in downtown Chicago. Happy Friday to everybody. Talk to you about the grain markets a little bit. The corn market's down 2 cents this morning. The wheat market's down 2 cents as well, and soybeans are down 8 to 10. So the corn market, I don't see anything that's going to change this bearish trend in the corn going into the end of the year. I think we trade negative here in corn. And then we'll get into next year, and weather will play a part, especially down in the southern hemisphere. Tuesday we do have a crop report, December 10th, and the old adage that big crops get bigger, so perhaps the corn crop's going to be bigger, but the demand is picking up as well. So net you should see the carryout numbers get a little bit smaller. Historically speaking, when the U.S. farmer owns all this corn, prices do not recover very well. The commercials, the end users can outweigh the U.S. farmer in this buyer's market. So look for the trend in the corn market to continue to be lower. The soybean market, more of a sideways trade. The crop in South America, it's made in February, so that's 60, 70 days from now, and that's eons in a trader's mindset. So right here, right now, Brazil, about 100% planted in the soybeans. Argentina, they do have 11 million metric tons of soybeans. Right now, they're holding on to them. They'd rather have the soybean than their currency. They are concerned about devaluation of their currency. So that's something to keep an eye on here in the soybean market. But we do have this Chinese record demand of U.S. soybeans. And all these soybean meal exports this month going out into December. All this news is into the market. So January beans perhaps are in a range from 13 even to 13.50 here into the end of the year. And keep an eye also on rallies when we do get rallies in soybeans, the follow through. Even the corn market this week, it tried to rally, and we've got no follow through at the end of the week here. So keep an eye on this follow through if and when the soybean markets do rally. Then we have the wheat market. Canada, just record production stats. Canada confirming that this week. We got snow cover in Oklahoma and Kansas. So the hard-red winter wheat that we grow, you got good coverage there. So the wheat market, very bearish news. One thing though, the funds are record short wheat. So keep an eye on that. That could be a catalyst for a short covering rally. Wheat could be 20, 30 cents higher someday here in the end of the year, and the reason for that would be short covering in wheat. So keep in mind, futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk, and they're not suited for everybody. Risk capital is what's needed to trade these markets, and have a great day trading, and we'll talk to you next week.